Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're going to go to very few garage sales, but you never know what we're going to find, and I want to take you guys and gals along with me. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from spaceship that has cheddar beams beaming through my retina. That's right, it's a beautiful morning. We're in the large spaceship. Maybe we'll find some cool stuff. And I did say we, because we might have someone joining in here in 1 second. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. You can also get the free money making guide. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 items on what to buy and resell that you can commonly find at garage sales and thrift stores and things like that. Go check it out. It's free. It's the first link down below. So I don't know what I'm going to find today, but I'm going to take y'all around with me as we go through the garage sales. There's only like 3 or 4, so we don't know. Statistically, it's not looking good, but you never know. So we're on our way to the first garage sale, and by we, I mean me and E-Money.
E-Money here?
E-Money here.
I was like, where is it? Where am I looking? Oh, there it is.
That's where you need to look, E-Money.
Yeah.
So E-Money is finally here. So you can comment so many things about E-Money if you want to. There are even comments of E-Money saying he's the type of person that blank, blank, blank. So that's something that you can do right now. Comment down below, E-Money is the type of person that what? That's on his cell phone while it's garage sale day?
That knows how to navigate to the best cheddar sales ever.
What? E-Money, yes. You weren't prepared for that. He's a good navigator, that's for sure. Our first garage sale is 2 minutes down the road. But yeah, there's a person named Philippe Voyer that puts an E-Money comment in every one of my videos, probably for the past 15 videos, maybe 20 videos, and he says E-Money is the type of person that blah, 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 blah. So now we can all play that game. But E-Money does laugh at a lot of those, by the way. He likes them. Our first garage sale has some eclectic stuff. Look at this cheddar beam coming right here.
Blunderbuss.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at the cheddar beam, E-Money.
Oh,
look at
geez.
That. It's like
a hyper beam.
It's like a slice, man. It's a slice of cheddar. We should have some new shirts coming out soon too, or shirt right now. I've designed a really cool shirt, and that should be available in about 2 weeks. Let's see if I can flash a picture right here. I think that's very commemorative of what we stand for as garage sailors. Early birding is a lot of fun, and so if you notice what's in the birds, I guess not talons, but
cheddar.
Yeah, there's a piece of cheddar. Anyway, so yeah. That's coming out soon. And it'll be on Amazon, so you can just buy one and support the channel. And it'll be a lot of fun. I can't wait to have one and go to garage sales with it. Well, let's get to the first sale. All right, the first garage sale of the day is right here. Actually looks pretty interesting. Cool boot, like these. How much are the skates? I'm just curious.
The ones in the black one.
$5? Okay.
Yeah, there's like...
How much is the purse?
That's $5.
$5?
It's like that, Janice. Yeah, I have like...
I wouldn't be able to put it...
What's up with all the Wii games?
They're standard ones.
Oh, they're standards?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
No, that replica would have to be...
It's a tough... I mean, I could do a booth all day on the replica. Just pick it if you want. Let's see how much it is. I'm going to give you that for the skates and this thing. All right, we got the skates. These are awesome.
Did you get the box?
I guess I got the box. Does the box come with it, I guess, with the skates? Okay, cool. Thank you. What'd you say, Emerson? It's pretty cool. How much is the mirror? $10? What'd you say? You want it?
No. I don't know.
What do you mean? Do you want it?
No.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
What are you going to get? What are you thinking about?
No, I was like, did you see that one?
Oh, I know. I saw that.
That's not it.
I'll get that mirror. I mean, it can't be that bad. I'll do $10. Oh, mirror?
Mirrors?
Huh? Am I what?
A ghost?
No. I make No, I just make little vlogs of the day and everything.
I'm so glad that you said that, because now I get to say that to you.
I'm not a ghost hunter.
You're never gonna live it down.
No, we're just I just record my days and stuff, things that I do.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'm trying to see. This is kind of cool. How much? Let's see. How much of these cards and stuff do they work pretty well?
What are they?
These cards?
Like SD cards.
Oh yeah.
How much are they?
They're brand new. I mean, I'll do 50 cents a piece.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then we also have those, and we're selling these for $1.
I kind of need just this part, not so much the card part, but I'll buy them from you. So I got some SD cards.
You want to get your skates on?
Yeah, cool, thanks. So I got those skates. Make sure we're good here. Yeah, so I got this Fossil purse. Pretty cool. You know, it's a weird brand, but like Fossil's not a good brand to pick up, but certain ones are. This one's pretty cool. This would be like 40 or 50 in my booth. That was $5. These skates right here, these are $5. And I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell for like 1 to 2. Yeah, sure grip plates. I mean, it's not something you see every single day. Dragster wheels. I think this is a $100 to $200 sale pretty quick. Then I got that mirror. Got a bunch of memory cards, 512 gigs each. It's kind of interesting. I think they're class 10 cards. So never, you know, these things are actually really important to have, just the adapter parts, but class 10 cards, if these things work pretty good, I mean, I do a lot of media, so that'll work. You want one e-money?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay. Put that in here. This antique mirror right here is probably going to sell for like 100 in the booth. I'm just going to do upright. All right, let's go to the next garage sale. Okay, so I think we found the church. Strangely enough, the parking lot doesn't have that many people in it. I don't see any cars from resellers that I know. Could be good. Let's take a look. Thank you. Oh, cool. Let's go. Hey, look at this guy. What's up? Good to see you.
How are you?
This is Mr. Mike Solis. He's always
back, baby. You guys
yeah, we're good. We're just checking it out. Yeah.
All right. Later.
Good to see you, man. Hey, what's up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Chillin'.
Huh?
Said chillin', yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Got some tapes. Oh, sweet. Look. Look. A parafoil. Let's go. Parafoil kites are cool. Kind of dig this. It's really nice. I kind of like this. This is very MCM. This is neat.
We should pretty much get that.
Parafoils are cool just for everything. 2 parafoil kites.
There you go.
Take a look.
$15?
Sure. Does it go to a good cause?
You feel good with that?
Yeah, I mean that's okay with me. Yeah. You sensed something. Look at that.
Huh?
You sensed something. You're like,
I do. How about 10?
I mean, I'll do whatever. You just gotta tell me.
Let's do 10.
Okay. Look at her I could just sit here, and if I wait a little bit longer, she's
I
like,
know. What am I picking up on? Feeling something there.
We got E-Money. You want to show some of these show-offs? Here.
Sure.
We got a parafoil, which are kind of cool. These are kites that are not stunt kites. You just put them up in the air, and they're just very, I don't know how to explain it. Just reliable, kind of fun kites. Got this kind of MCM kind of serving dish. That's pretty cool.
Looks like a 70 serving dish with deviled eggs?
Could be eggs. I don't know.
I mean, that's what it looks like.
Maybe oval pieces of cheddar, and then you pick it up with other bread, you know. Cheddar and bread. Get it, E-Money? It's both money. Okay. And then we got this thing right here. It's not in the best condition down here, but I think it's worth picking up.
Yeah.
This is MCM, like bourbon and scotch thing. I think if it's facing this direction, it's pretty nice looking. This thing in the booth will probably sell between 30 and 50. I paid $10 for everything, so that's pretty good. All right, we're trying to kill some time before this next garage sale. So we're at this new coffee shop called Foxtrot here in Austin, Texas. And E-Money wants to try this. Let's go check it out. Wow, what a coffee shop, man. That thing's huge. Espresso. Yeah. We just got our coffees. I got a Doppio and he got a Cortado from Foxtrot. Let's give it a whirl. Cheers.
You know, I find that.
Oh my gosh. Okay. 2 Adopio is pretty good. What does it taste like, E-Money?
It's not burnt. A lot of people can burn their cortados really easily.
So,
And their
get this,
beans.
E-Money. While you were in the bathroom,
Yeah.
doing a number 3. It's both 1 and 2. Okay, so while E-Money was in the bathroom doing something, I don't even know what he was doing. I was checking out the prices of things. Avocado toast, like a half slice, it looks like on the diagram or whatever of avocado toast.
Yes.
$8.
Okay. You ready for it?
No, hold on. Green smoothie, $9.50.
Okay.
Welcome to Austin,
Okay.
guys.
How about this? 10 ounces of chicken,
10 ounces. Okay, got it.
$12.99.
Oh my god, you should come live in Austin, guys. It's so cheap. This place, I swear. $12.99 for 10 ounces of chicken?
Nothing else in the box.
Golly. Whoa. Wow, why is it so cheap? What are the steals and deals in this place? All right, well, anyway, you know, Foxtrot's decent. It's got a good kind of feel inside. It is like New Austin now. If you go into this kind of coffee shop, it's very urban. You know, there's New Austin and there's Old Austin. And we've had coffees and things from so many different places.
Want to try it? This one?
Maybe.
Try that.
Let's see.
Try that. It is.
Oh, actually, it's pretty good. His is good. Ah.
Yeah.
He gets like a small ah. All right, so let's go to the next garage sale. This one, E-Money found on Yard Sale Treasure Map, surprisingly. So I guess it's still a good place to find garage sales. We'll see, because technically we haven't even made it there, so it might be terrible. It might not even be existing. But we'll see.
This is the majority of it.
Okay.
Prices aren't on anything, but let me know if
That's
you have
cool.
any questions.
We actually have one of these at the house. Kind of an older guitar.
Yeah. $70.
Yeah, that's a pretty fair price. Question, so do you have a couple of things I'm looking for today. Do you have any bike stuff, video games?
I have some bike stuff.
You do?
Yeah, so this, I've actually never used it, but it was a really cute basket I was gonna get for my kitty cat.
Yeah.
But my bike got stolen. And then here's another bike rack I also was going to put on my bike on the
Okay.
back, but bike got stolen.
Oh, really? Gosh.
Yeah. All right, so I have these overalls. It's not for me. I tried them. And then I have these 2 men's flannels. They're both
Okay.
extra large.
How much are the overalls? Wait, what size? Are they women's or men's?
I don't know. They're big on me, so they're medium.
My
But
girlfriend might like them.
I tried them, but yeah, I just can't pull off overalls for no matter what I do.
Yeah, I don't know if that'll fit her, but these are cool.
They're cute.
How much?
$5.
$5? I mean, I'll do it for $5. I'll get her this. These are cool, man. Okay, the next garage sale is sitting over here. I see a mirror that I want to buy for sure. This mirror is dope. Hopefully it's cheap. Oh yeah, the mirror is really good. Oh wow, there's tons of stuff in here. Yo. I already have Technica mic. Random stuff. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Super collector sale. Gosh. Let me ask him before I even touch anything. Oh, they've got bikes back here too. Tons of bikes. Nothing really super good, but there's train stuff. Maybe. Yeah, they're just mostly very cheap. They're very cheap.
Yeah, make me roll down the here.
Well, I was just wondering how much it is. I mean, I have to clean it and everything. I don't know. I was just wondering how much it is. $10? Can you do $10?
That's fine.
Okay. I'll get that mirror out of the way. I'll do $10 on that for sure. And then what about inside? Do you make prices inside?
I haven't put the stickers on, but
Okay.
Yeah. How much are you asking for your bikes?
Some of the bikes I got from Andy Roddick and stuff, man. I'm taking offers on the dude. I got some single speeds. I'll do 75 a piece on.
What was the one in the back, the All City? How much was that one?
Now I'll take 100 for it.
100 for the All City?
Yeah.
I think that's my size. Can we work on the price or no?
Nah.
One bill.
You know,
Okay.
you know-
I can 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we just bought this All City bike right here. The resale of this is pretty good, but I'm gonna try to get it back to looking pretty good. It's kind of got some wacky things on it, but it does come with a Brooks seat, which is kind of interesting. The seat alone is worth like $70.
It's got 105s on it.
And it's running 105 Shimano drivetrain. We're running Ultegra hubs. It's a 1x, pretty cool bike. We'll see what we can get for that. Popped on that awesome mirror for $10. That's gonna, once it's cleaned up, that's gonna sell for like 150, 200 in my booth. Got this sailboat, which I'll rebuild, get it looking good. That usually sells for 50 to 100 in the booth. That was $5, so $10, $5. And we got this All City bike right here. I don't know the model of this bike, but this bike is, I don't know, 500 plus, something like that. Pretty cool bike. And yeah, it's got some great drivetrain stuff on it. It's an extra large, super extra large. But putting it on here, got this thing for 100 today. Okay, so we are back at the Hustler Casa. We gotta get everything out of the SUV. E-Money, any last words?
That was great.
Do you think that, are you gonna read all the comments down below? E-Money is the type of person?
Check it out. Yeah.
E-Money is the type of person, fill in the rest.
I'll give you
Put
all
it
an
down-
update on the next video.
That's right. Put it down below because E-Money's going to read all of them. Guys and gals, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.